Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on how to separate a range of words using the left and the find functions in Excel. I'm Emmanuel and I'll show you just how to do it, so come with me. If I want to separate the first name, right, from all the full name here and put it in this cell, how do I do this? So I use the left function to do that, right, because the first name is on the leftmost part of this string of words, right? So we can write the left function. And then the first argument we have to put here is the text, meaning that from which text are you trying to extract the word you're trying to extract, right? So we'll get it from this text here. Then comma, we move to the second argument, which says number of characters, right? So it's asking the word you want to extract, how many characters does that word have, right? So we can count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So we can put 6 there, close our brackets. And as you can see, we've gotten our first name. Now, we are going to use our fill handle to drag down, right? Because it saves time. So just imagine that this was a row of 1,000 row data sets where you have names. You can't start using the left function for each and every one of them. So you can use the fill handle to just drag down and get it quickly. All right, so we've done that. Now, as you can see some of the names are having issues, right? So Adam, for example, is coming out with an Adam J. Charlie is not written out completely, right? There's an E omitted there. So why is this happening? If you look at the formula bar, you can see that the formula was copied down exactly like the first formula we put here. So you can see number of characters. So the problem is Adam is only 4 characters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happened is it had to add this space, which is also a character, and the J, and that's why you're seeing Adam J here. So how do we solve this problem? Well, we can solve it using the left and the find function. So the find function is a function that is used to find the position of a character in a string of words, right? Now, what character do we need to find in order to be able to solve this problem? You can see the space right in between the first name and the last name. So no matter the number of characters that the first name has, the string always comes after, the space rather always comes after it, right? So if we can find the position of this space, no matter the number of characters of the first name, we should still be able to get the first name correctly, right? So we're going to use the find function. So write find. So the first argument is to find texts, right? So it's asking what text are you trying to find in your string of words, right? And we are trying to find the space. So we'll put it in double quotes, space, right? So I put a double quote, space, double quote, because I'm looking for this first space in each of these cells, all right? Then comma, we'll move to the next argument, say within text, meaning within which text do I find this space, right? And this is what we are looking for. So A2. Yes, so we can. So the final argument is optional, this start number, right? So we don't need to put it. Close the bracket and put that. So you can see it's saying that the space is in position 7, right? So let's count to confirm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now we can copy down the formula for the rest as well. So you can see the space is in position 5 here, right? Adam is 4, the space is position 5. Is in position 7 for Connor, Carlos. Is in position 8 for Charlie, right? Because the spaces always come immediately after the first name. All right. So with this, we'll now use this as our number of character while we are using our left function. So I'll do this again. So I'll say the left function, our text, which is this, comma, our number of characters, which is these numbers that we use the find function to get. So I'll click on that, then I can close my bracket and enter. Now this time, if I drag down, I shouldn't have the same problem I had initially, right? So you can see, regardless of the fact that each of them have different number of characters, right? They all came out correctly, right? So this is how you can use the left function and the find function to separate names, right? So in subsequent videos, we are going to look at how to use the mid function to separate middle names and the right function to separate last names. So Make sure you leave a comment under this video if you have any questions or if there's anything you would like to see. Thank you. Have an amazing day.